Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop planners available on the market today. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, finding the right planner is crucial for your projects. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Krain 13 benchtop planner. This model packs a solid 15A industrial motor producing 2,000 watts of power, which is 20% stronger than standard 13A models. It's particularly great for handling tough woods like oak, maple, and exotic hardwoods. The HSS double-sided blades boast 10% more hardness and a 30% longer lifespan compared to standard blades, making them a durable choice for demanding projects. The laser-calibrated lead screw ensures a precise 0.008 tolerance, eliminating snipe and uneven cuts for a professional finish. In terms of design, the Krain planer is compact yet robust, featuring a matte black industrial aesthetic. Its dual dust ports capture up to 85% of debris, making cleanup quick and efficient. Additionally, the 3-year warranty and lifetime support give peace of mind, and the included blade sharpening guide is a useful bonus for maintaining performance. While it's an affordable option with impressive power, the Krain planer does lack some advanced features like a spiral cutter head. However, for small workshops and DIY enthusiasts, this planer delivers excellent value for its price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on precision, this is a great pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the Wen PL1252, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Priced under $300, this planer is an excellent entry-level choice for hobbyists or those new to woodworking. Despite its lower price, it features a 15A motor generating 20,000 cuts per minute, with a 26 feet per minute feed rate. This model can plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 12.5 inches wide, making it suitable for most standard projects. Additionally, the 2 reversible SK5 blades provide decent performance, allowing you to adjust the depth up to 1/8 of an inch per pass. Design-wise, the Wen PL1252 is compact and lightweight at 63.9 pounds, making it easy to move around your workshop. The cast iron base provides stability during operation, though it doesn't quite match the rigidity of higher-end models. The machine is straightforward to use with intuitive controls, making it a great fit for beginners. The downside here is its limited durability and lack of advanced features like a spiral cutter head or dust collection system. However, for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're on a tight budget and need a dependable planer for smaller projects, the Wen PL1252 is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Wen PL1337, a mid-range planer with 2-speed operation and a premium spiral cutter head. This model stands out for its 26 staggered and rotatable HSS blades, which deliver a clean and smooth finish that's ideal for achieving a professional-grade look. The 2-speed feed rate allows flexibility, with 26 FPM for quick dimensioning and 16 FPM for refined finishes. With a cutting capacity of up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, this planer is versatile enough for both small and large projects. The build quality is impressive, featuring a durable cast iron and aluminum construction. It's slightly heavier at 69 pounds, but that added weight contributes to stability during operation. The onboard depth stop and material removal gauge are great for precision work, while the combination dust port ensures cleaner operation. It also includes a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. While the Wen PL1337 delivers excellent performance, the price is on the higher side for a planer without a helical cutter head. Additionally, its 10,000 RPM cutter head speed isn't as fast as premium options. However, for woodworkers seeking a balance between quality and affordability, this planer is a fantastic option. In second place, we have the DeWalt DW735X, a powerhouse planer designed for professionals and serious woodworkers. This model features a robust 15A motor with a 20,000 RPM motor speed and 10,000 RPM cutter head speed, making it one of the fastest and most efficient planers on this list. The 3-knife cutter head ensures 30% longer knife life and quicker changes. while the 2-speed gearbox allows you to optimize cuts per inch at either 96 CPI for dimensioning or 179 CPI for fine finishes. The DW735X is built like a tank, with a 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base that's twice as rigid as standard models. Its automatic carriage lock reduces snipe, ensuring precise cuts without manual adjustments. Additional features like the fan-assisted chip ejection system and extra-large turret depth stop make it user-friendly and reliable for repeated use. It even comes with in-feed and out-feed tables and an extra set of knives for added value. The only downside is the price, which is on the higher end of the spectrum. However, for anyone looking for a high-performance planer with exceptional durability and precision, the DW735X is a worthy investment. Whether you're working on hardwoods or softwoods, this planer will deliver outstanding results. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Fine by Tool 13-inch benchtop thickness planer. This premium model is equipped with a pre-installed helical cutter head featuring 40 tungsten carbide insert knives, delivering unparalleled smoothness and tear-free cuts. Its 15A motor operates at 20,000 RPM with a feed rate of 27.5 FPM, making it both powerful and efficient for any woodworking task. The 4-column design and anti-wobble foundation ensure incredible accuracy, with a thickness tolerance of less than 0.1 millimeters. The build quality is top-notch, combining cast iron and aluminum for durability and stability. Additionally, the comprehensive 8-position depth stop makes it easy to achieve consistent thickness across multiple boards. The dust collection system is excellent, producing smaller chips for faster, clog-free removal. While this machine handles both softwoods and hardwoods with ease, its helical cutter head sets it apart from other planers in terms of performance and noise reduction. The downside here is its premium price, but for professionals or advanced woodworkers seeking the best results, it's worth every penny. If precision, durability, and performance are your top priorities, the Fine by Tool planer is hands down the best choice on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect benchtop planer for your woodworking needs. If you found this review useful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy woodworking!